Ogurugona na ije nimedakubu ochichere para ndakubu onyinyo omu egbocho ade atumo ole Niki onyewe
We have cooperators and their various leaders are gathered at the Ibru Center here in Agbarha Otor to learn one or two strategies to cope in this current economic reality. A lot of topic has been looked at, and the Skywalk community was privileged to be on ground to also talk about how we can use Pre-IPO investment opportunity to try to mitigate against the current reality of the Naira devaluation and the hyperinflation we are experiencing. Well, this is the little we'll go for now. This morning we are going to another lecture, which is the final in line with this program. Catch you soon. Onye kasi mobi Chinadu nanso Egwadim Inonyere ele baba Kipoma Chinadu nanso Egwadim I have no fear Chinadu nanso Egwadim Nimo kefufe Nima baliji juru Okuki puyem, inosuki pundum, unito kwa siregi. Niki onyewe, wahaha, nodunanso. Niki onyewe, wahaha, chinodunanso, egwadim. No fear, nothing I saw. She nothing I saw. Egwadim. Nothing I saw. Nothing I saw.